Week 2 of our pig hunt. Last week was the firefighters hunt. Barry was an incredible cook throughout the whole hunt. You have a good time with them guys, Barry?
Yes, I did. Fabulous.
Yeah, they were good guys, weren't they?
Yes, they were.
And this week, we have my grandson, Patrick. Patrick!
Hi.
We're gonna kill him or what?
Yes.
Yes. He doesn't want to talk in front of the camera. He'll be screaming in front of the camera after he shoots a pig tonight, but right now he doesn't want to talk in front of it.
I speak with my actions.
Speak with your actions, that's right. And here we are, going through piggy territory in Texas. Well, let's see if we can make it happen tonight. This is the river crossing to the other side of our lease. This is the Clear Fork of the Brazos River in Texas. Entering pig territory. One happy grandpa. I'm the happiest grandpa in the world. Did you get him?
Go back now.
Huh?
Who wants to go back?
Might as well go back. Oh my God.
Still moving.
Good man, Patrick.
Was that one by itself?
Yeah. I thought it was. I was moving in there, and I thought it was a turkey, because I heard that there was turkeys here too, and then I saw him move out, and I was like, "Oh, that's the one." I got that. Ah.
14 years old. He's a killing machine. Wow. Look at the tusks.
Way to go, Patrick. You little shit.
Wow. Patrick, good job.
Here, Patrick, save it.
I will.
Yeah, that's right.
The silver bullet.
Patrick, what do you think, buddy?
Well, we might as well turn around and go home.
We can get that other
That's
spot
it.
now, the one on the side of the fence.
Well, I guess we'll go try another spot.
What are you going to do with this hog?
Oh, we'll go bring him back and butcher him up, cut him up. All right, buddy, let me hear this story one more time.
I don't know. I thought he was a turkey, and then he walked out and he was making a bunch of noise. So.
Good job, Patrick. "14-year-old killing machine." Okay, so Patrick shot that pig already, and we hustled up to another spot, and now Barry is going to use his night vision scope on his AR. Patrick has his 308 in case he uses it again. I'm with a spotlight, and I can just all of a sudden spotlight, and Patrick can shoot. And because we're all big rescue technician guys, what did I bring? Thanks to Scott's safety, a thermal imaging camera. also known as a tick, because I have my rescue priorities and I know what it's all about. How's that, Patrick? Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Dude, this is it, right? I have a sked from Bud and Catherine at Skedco, and I've got a thermal imaging camera from Scott Safety. Here with my grandson Patrick. We have our 308 Winchester. We have our video game. What are you playing, Pat?
I don't remember the name of it.
You don't remember the name of it?
No. Oh, it's so hard.
We have another 30-06. We have a big, bad spotlight. Thermal imaging camera from Scott Safety. Thank you. Patrick's ready to crush it again. You gonna spank another one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, just wait now for dark. Not all fun and games.
Huh? Oh.
Here we are, making another shooting box. Barry,
For Kevin to kill
Frank.
the big buck.
for Kevin to kill the big buck. That's right.
Well, at least look at him anyway.
At least look. Somebody threw this out. One of those plastic shooting boxes. It's kind of small. So we salvaged the scraps. Yes, that means we jumped into the garbage pile and took them. And we're making a new base. And we're going to add this to one of the shooting boxes we have out there that's really small. And kind of like making a single shooting box into a double shooting box.
Yep. There's a knot somewhere.
Salvaged all this stuff from the junk pile. It's going to make a nice addition to the blind. One-man blind is just about to become a two-man blind. Master hunters and master carpenters.
No, master garbage picker.
Watch this. He's going to curse. I'm going to have to cut it out again.
Garbage picker.
Can't finish
Number
a
one
paragraph without
garbage
cursing.
picker.
Here we go. He did it. Number one garbage picker.
That's right. Recycle. Recycle. Don't throw it away.
He completed.
Think globally, act locally.
Think globally, act locally.
Here's a job for you.
He finished the whole paragraph and he didn't curse. Wednesday night and midway through week 2 of my hunt. This week is with my grandson and last week was with the firefighters. Having a great time. Did some work on a blind. I'm going to make a smaller blind, one-man shooting box, really, into a two-man, so my grandson and I can sit together in the fall. We've been sharing it now, but it's too cramped. So we took a break from work, knocked off about 4:30 to get into our blinds for tonight. Tonight my grandson's sitting with my friend Barry, and I'm by myself in the same blind that we were in last night. And we checked some game cameras I had out. First of all, the place was smashed from yesterday. So there's, like I've said in previous videos, there's a, we call it a pig bomb. It's a pipe bomb. It's a piece of, that one's 6-inch PVC. Usually I use 4-inch with holes drilled in it, fill it with corn, and the pigs rolled around. Then out past that are some branches covering a hole that's got corn in it. And the reason for the, my hands are shaking too much. The reason for the sticks on top is because then I know if deer or turkey ate the corn or if pigs push those sticks in some big rocks there. They're the only ones that can. Then on the tree over there, I've removed it, but I had a game camera that showed pigs coming in here about 10:30, 11 o'clock last night. Patrick and I left about 9. So we'll see if there's any activity tonight. But I just love sitting here, relaxing, looking around. It's beautiful. And the cardinals, we get a lot of cardinals, exceptional amount. Beautiful, brilliant red birds. I just love to watch them. When I moved to Montana from Long Island, I don't see them anymore. So I enjoy watching the birds. And that's about it. Oh, and for tonight's weapons, I have my friend Barry's crossbow because it's got a spotlight on it. I can't shoot the recurve by myself and light it up. So for dark hunting, I have a crossbow with a spotlight that I can flip a button and light up my target. That pile of branches on the corner right there is I use rangefinder 26.5 yards, and that little bush right there 16.5 yards, so it should be no problem. Listen to me, how I'm telling you that 25-yard shot's like a joke. It's so easy. Let me tell you something. When it's pitch black out there and you're using spotlights and trying to hold the crossbow with one hand and work a button on a light with the other, it's not impossible for me to miss. Let's see what happens. Those are like my friends to watch while I'm waiting here for something to come in. I love watching the birds. Struck out on the pigs last night, but they're back at work. Chef and master carpenter, and guide and master carpenter. Yeah, buddy. We found this crap in the dump. Going to extend my shooting box so I can hunt out of it with my grandson sitting next to each other. So this was the old shooting box, and we're about to double the size with the stuff. The hunting condo, with all the stuff we picked out of the garbage. 2 hours and 45 minutes later, completed project. 2 boxes stuck together. Got that one out of the junk pile. Even had windows in it. So now, this is the shooting box I've been using. And my grandson has his own shooting box connected to it. Thanks to Barry and Frank. And then went down and cut some new shooting lanes out to the feeder. Have to maintain that a little bit each year, you know, for new growth. It has to be cut back. There's the feeder, 135 yards from the box. And I got a ground blind out there behind the feeder for archery, mostly archery for pigs. And that's it. That's the view with my double condo shooting box. So this is what we do in between shooting pigs. Now time to take a break, go back to the camp, have something to eat, and get out for pigs tonight. Here I am with my grandson in the ground blind after building that other blind all day today. We're exhausted. We're hoping a pig will come in. And I'm in the same ground blind I was in with Dean Patrick last week from Spec Rescue. The supreme being of Spec, my boss. However, I think that my grandson is going to spank those pigs tonight, which Dean was not able to do here from this blind, although he did get one last week, not from this blind. And the key to Patrick's success is playing video games on his phone. Patrick, what game is that?
Phases.
Phases. Dean, pay attention. Phases. Training for pig hunter. It's our last night pig hunting. Patrick, what's going to happen tonight?
First, we gotta swap chairs.
And then more pigs?
Yeah, and pigs.
Barry, what do you think?
I think there's gonna be lots of pigs tonight, baby.
Let me see what we got for weapons. We've got
AR-15.
Patrick's got his 308. We have an AR-15 with more gadgets on it than I've ever seen. Looks like one of the toys I had when I was a little kid. It's got a night vision scope. It's got what's on the side? A laser
A laser light.
and a flashlight.
2200 aluminum flashlight with a green lens. And we got night vision.
So we got
binoculars.
thermal imagery camera, spotlights,
Night vision.
And then the three.
semi-automatic weapons. We got the big hitter. You know, if we can, oh, what else we got?
Night vision binoculars.
Night vision binoculars. Okay, 2 weeks ago I was using a longbow, and now look at this. What's happened? I guess I've evolved like a caveman to modern man.
This place doesn't have any hooks in
I-
it.
If we can't make it happen tonight, I think we're running out of excuses. Using a thermal imagery camera to try and find pigs. And I'm not seeing any pigs. Those are rabbits. Picking up a couple of rabbits, that's it. Final thoughts on your hunt, Patrick? Nothing tonight?
No.
Raccoon with no tail didn't come back?
Dude, he's evil.
Evil? He's everywhere, all over the ranch.
He is. It's not even funny. He was at the other blind the other night.
Frank, last night, what did we see?
Seen 6 of them. I whacked one of them,
Nice.
but somebody walked off with them during the night. And I lost them.
Couple coyotes, huh?
Probably. They were hungry, but they're not hungry any longer.
Nah.
But it's been a good 2 weeks.
Good 2 weeks. We had a great
lot of
time.
hogs, man.
And we ate too much food.
Oh
my gosh.
Yeah.
Barry, what'd you think?
Great.
2 weeks.
Sorry to go home.
Sorry to go home.
Went too fast.
Ridiculous.
That was it. Nothing on the last night except, oh, raccoon?
I saw. Well, I heard a hog.
Heard a hog.
Yeah.
You smacked a raccoon.
Spanked a raccoon.
Blueberry pie over cookies.
So the hunt is over. We had a great time. And that's it
And
until...
there's blueberry pie.
And there's blueberry pie.
chocolate cookies.
Till turkey
Chocolate
season.
chip.
So this is the view as I drive home through New Mexico, left Texas through New Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming, then Montana. It was a great trip, great 2 weeks of hog hunting. I had a great time. I missed my friends, missed the guys from Spec Rescue and Rob from FDNY Dispatcher, and I'm really missing my grandson already. I just love that. Great time in Texas, great time hunting pigs. We're real successful. 4 out of 5 guys the first week shot pigs. 1 shot a javelina too, which was nice. We saw turkey the whole time. We saw deer. Guys got to do some shed hunting, picked up some sheds. And then the second week, my grandson hit him again. He's the best. Things are good. That was it. Love pig hunting in Texas. Look forward to next year.